In some mornings, you don't need an alarm. You just wake up and realize you're somewhere completely different. This is day 2 of the Malaybalay expedition. This morning, Katihan greeted us with a blanket of fog. As the sun slowly started to rise, the fog began to disappear. And for a moment, everything just felt still.
Good day, Team NP. So, today is day 2 at the campsite. And kung makikita nyo, majority is tulog pa. Ang iba naman, nag-gising na, no? And nag-prepare na for today's activities. Which, ngayon, kung makikita nyo mga rigs natin, we have here the jeep, we have here the patrol, we have 2 kids here, si Dom and si Gavin. Rooftop tent by Body Armor, and then here we have the Terrano with the 270 degrees freestanding awning. Nagamit siya kagabi, no? Dito sila nag-hang out, and ang ganda ng lights niya. So, ang ganda ng sunrise view dito kung makikita nyo. Ang favorite part ko ata dito is this one. This one is the TGM armrest bag. Yan yung tawag dyan. And then, ito, yung awning ni boss, ni Ma'am Jill. This one, ito yung bago lang natin na-install din. We installed this recently lang. Because Ma'am upgraded from the 2.5 by 2.0 to the 2.5 by 2.5 meter awning. Para compatible na din siya sa awning room. Kasi yan din yung ginahanap ni Ma'am na experience. Yan yung hinahilaw niya. Tingnan natin, toggle. It has this controller module na rotate lang to set the brightness. Oh. Bright siya kahit ano na, maliwanag na. Kahit may sun na, bright pa rin siya. So, off muna natin. What you have to do is tilt it. Yan. Nandito sa Gladiator, very enough na yung TGM wall sa ABS rooftop tent natin na na-install lang natin din recently, no, as we were preparing their units for the Rome Fest, Born to Rome Fest 2026. We have here our TGM na mga high-back camping chairs. Ganda ng quality. These ones are our best-selling chairs sa TGM. If not this one, yung director chair din. Ganda ng quality. So we have here our TGM camping table. Sinusuportan tong mabigat na tubig. Grabe yung bigat nito. Diba? So, no need to doubt that one because napakaganda ng quality niyan. Mabilis lang din linisan. Hindi siya gaano madudumihan. No? TGM na bedrock. Ganda. We have here the Overland na flying wing, ganun, na 270 awning. We have here TGM na mga swivel chairs. Ito, sila lang yung nakaganito sa camp. Ganda nito kasi naro-rotate mo talaga. Kasama natin, driven by Sergio. Makikita niya sa loob is naka TGM na mga seat covers siya. We have the TGM snorkel. We have the Body Armor 270 awning. Same din yung ano niya is meron din siyang built-in lights din, no. And then yung outback na bumper niya. And then we have your TGM side shooters natin na napakaliwanag ng paggamit yan. All with this paired with this TGM na 230mm na ilaw natin. Ganda. GMA na antenna. Grabe, complete si boss. Yeah, I guess that's about it, no. Prepare lang tayo for breakfast. Kasi grabe, ang ganda ng view dito. Parang this view reminds me of the view sa Hawaii. Alam niyo yung yung napakabukitin na view. It's just like that. Napakaganda, no? You don't have to go to Hawaii para makita yung view nila. You can just go to Katihan Eco Park.
And whilst breakfast was still being prepared by our chefs, Kuya Dongkoy and Kuya Jason, giving us the best of the best when it comes to appetizers. Sinubukan ko na rin ang pagkayak. Kaya kung makikita nyo dito, si Kuya Jansen ang aking tutor. Napaka-drift gods. And everyone gathered for breakfast. Kaon.
Magamito.
Wala, cowards. Oh, hell na. Ikaw po.
Oh, yes.
Oh, hell na. Oh, hell na.
After breakfast, the sun was finally up and the whole campsite started to come alive. So we gathered under the body armor 270-degree awning, just enjoying the morning, talking, laughing, and catching up with everyone. Ito yung mga moments na hindi mo talaga napaplano. Walang itinerary, walang schedule, just good conversations. Good company, and a beautiful place to spend the morning. Pero habang kami chill lang sa campsite, lumipat din ako. The kids had a completely different plan. Nakita nila yung pond, nakita nila yung mga kayak, at syempre, alam na natin kung saan sila pupunta.
Kayak from the lake. Uy, uy!
Patay. Patay. Sabi ko ba? Wala na. Yawang pa niya. Hindi kilay.
And apparently, kayaking wasn't enough. Because for the rest of the day, the kids basically found all of the spots at Katihan Eco Park their second home.
That's insane.
Diyan na kayo mag-jump ha? Okay. Oh! Yan to!
Oh, tapos na maligo. Yo, mga kids. Kids pa ba ako? Kids pa ba? Yeah, cooking lunch na. Wow, look at that princess. Ah! Drone. Wow! Video. Sige, rap kayo. Hindi naman ako masisingbat nito. Hindi naman ako natural. Sing! Tara, baba na! Woohoo! Okay, picture ako ha. Sige, Gab! Rev mo, Gab! Rev! Ayos. TJM, take the lead. How's experience here, sir? How's the experience?
Masarap
masarap, no?
Yeah.
Hindi lang maanghang na init. Hindi makapasok. May pinagtritripan na naman yung mga kids dito, oh. Oy, kids! What are you doing?
These kids were once again off to another adventure. And while they're busy, the lunch was being prepared.
Sa video nga makita. Picture, wala mo po picture niyo ba? Approve da yun, approve.
Dito sa part na to, sinubukan naming pumunta sa Sapa.
Sa TV.
Ganda ng Sapa dito, guys. Makikita nyo. Ganda. Napaka-clear ng river. Ligo na to nila.
At sa wakas, we made it.
Malamig ba talaga to? Malamig.
A quiet river surrounded by nature. The kind of place na hindi mo basta-basta makikita kapag nasa city ka lang. At pagbalik namin sa campsite, ay handa na yung lunch namin.
Hello. Ganda oh. Ganda ng lineup dito. Kompleto. Dito TGM accessories. Camping chair. Ganda. Plus the view. And mga preparation natin for campfire later.
And after lunch, everyone was on their own thing. Pero sampulan ko muna kayo ng dance intermission. Sa hapon ay nagbiryenda kami.
Spaghetti gang. Spaghetti gang.
O yun, ako ay akar, madayang lakas.
Ikaw lahi, ikaw dako. Yummy. Okay, nice. Oh.
For merienda naman, iba't ibang snacks ang tira namin. Merong bochi, may turon, at may spaghetti.
Kung ano?
Ano may munggo boy? Munggo na. Kami dahil.
Habang papalubog na ang araw, the kids found one more adventure before the night began. Out came the off-road RCs. Plus, napakaganda ng sunset talaga habang nagsiset up na yung aming banda. And just like that, the campsite was set to the mood. The music brought everyone closer, and before long, you'll see, because everyone was on their feet.
When we kiss it, feel the flaming. Feel that I'm on fire. Feel the
The fire was lit, the RCs were still on, and the food was almost ready.
Magandang gabi, Team Nats Performance. So ngayon, dito sila, naghahanda sila ng ating dinner. Again with Dongkoy and Industries and Kuya Jason. Oy. Of course, meron tayo ditong kanding. We have here goat meat. Oh, yes.
Sarap yan.
Para lahat.
Malamig na panahon.
Tama.
Tonight, we had a proper feast. May roast beef. Napakaganda ng pagkaluto at pagkahanda with the mushroom sauce. Everyone was full and everyone was happy. At mukhang ready na ulit para sa next activity. Ma'am Rose came prepared. May dala siyang marshmallows, which could only mean one thing. It's s'mores time.
Ay mo ang laala. Ay, masakit sunog na. Okay na. Okay na. O, yan. Mamitigil. Ay.
Malunggay pandesal. Ginata na.
What does it taste like?
It's cheese. Bagal ka na ito.
And of course, I had to try it myself.
Ayong gabi.
Let's go, kuha tayo. Lagyan natin s'mores, bro. I'm with Kuya Johnson
Let's go, guys.
and Maverick. Kukuha tayo ng mga marshmallow and gagawa tayo ng s'mores.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go!
Ayaw, ano. Bebe.
Thank you! Oh my God! We just made s'mores, bro. We made it. Oh my God! It tastes so good! Thank you! Thank you! Gosh, it tastes so good.
The best in the West.
Ah, sige lang, sir.
Bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon kung kailan ang aking puso meron ng laman?
Sana'y nalaman ko na darating ka sa buhay ko. Di sana'y naghintay ako.
Ikaw sana aking yakap-yakap, ang iyong kamay laging hawak at hindi kanya. Bakit ngayon dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan ang sarado ko.
right. Make the magic last for more than just one night.
Maybe that truly is the magic of camping. You leave the city behind, disconnect from the usual routine, and suddenly you have time to simply be present. And when the fire finally starts to fade, you realize that these are the moments you'll carry with you long after the trip is over.
Okay guys, ang importante kung naglingkod naman galing mo, nag-enjoy mo sa music. Nag-enjoy ba ang tanan sa Soulfly Trio? Yes, thank you so much guys. At first I was afraid.
This was day 2 of the Malaybalay expedition. Camping is about the moments in between. The moments we didn't plan, the conversations that started out of nowhere, the jokes that only made sense to the people who were there, and the laughter that somehow got louder as the night went on. Di natin maaalala ang bawat detalye, pero maaalala natin ang naramdaman natin.
Are you ready, party people? Let's go! And so you're back from my face. I just want to get somebody here without some look on my face. Just a minute, it's not a fake it in me. If I had no more, just a second, you'd be back around me.
Wow, di mo mapildi, bay? Ah, kuya, ay.
This was the Malay Expedition 2026 with Nat's performance.